Okay. Um, Assalamu alaikum, all of you. Welcome. I'm going to show you how you are going to install Python. If you don't have it already installed in your computer, just follow me. So this is the basics. Okay, let's go through it. First of all, you go to your web browser and you visit the Python website. You click on the website and it will take you straight to Python's website where you can download Python. So here you can come here and straight away just come to this area, downloads, and click on download for Windows. Okay. So as soon as you start downloading, I even clicked it twice here. As soon as you start downloading, you'd have to wait for it. Let me cancel one. You'd have to wait for it to. So now it's just 25 MB. We show it in folder, and now it is in our downloads folder. So just so you can see it well, this is it. Python 3.12.3. This is the latest version, which where I showed you, it's going to always be the latest version that they will put there, which means you have nothing to worry about. Double click and you start to install it. You start to follow the instructions now. So now it is showing us the installer. This is it. And now what we need to do is you see these custom checkboxes. You need to click all of them. Otherwise, if you don't do it now, some things are not going to work in the future for you. So you need to use admin privileges when installing py.exe. Just do it. And you should click this one too. Add python.exe to path. This is important. So you install, and now it's going to just basically ask you for permission, which you say yes. And then it's going to start installing for you. It might take a while, so you don't have to worry if it is slow or not. So now setup was successful. So we close, and now what we are going to do to test whether it has really installed, it is just for us to go to the search in our computer. Here, we go to search, then we search for something we call IDLE, idle, like this. We click on the app. If it shows, then it means that Python has installed. You have nothing to worry about. So you have successfully killed it. You have successfully installed Python. Now we move on to the next step. So once idle has been installed, you are going to see something like this. This is called a shell. This is called a shell. And here you can successfully write your code. It might not be as big as this, but it's going to still show you that this is where you are going to write some of your code. This is called the shell, and you are going to be interacting with the output as soon as you write code. You are going to look at the output in this particular shell. But this is not where you're going to be doing most of your code. This is where you're going to be doing most of your coding, which is here, which is what we call the script editor, or Python's default text editor. So once you have Python installed, we can move over to using IDEs, or integrated development environment, so that we can code more efficiently and we can even know much more about the um, theoretical aspects and the practical aspect of programming as well in Python. So stick around and watch the next video, which is going to be installing VS Code. because VS Code is the most popular. So we are going to install VS Code. So with that being said, Assalamu alaikum.